Welcome to Yahoo Finance Live this Wednesday, February 1st. We are moments away from the Fed's decision on interest rates. Wall Street widely expecting a 25 basis point hike. Let's take a look at the markets here ahead of that decision. And we are looking at losses here with the major averages. You have the Dow off just around 296 points. NASDAQ under pressure off just about 0.2%. The S&P off nearly 0.5%. Taking a look at the bond market, yields edging lower just a bit here ahead of this decision, off about 6 basis points to 347, not drifting too far from that 3.5 line where we had really been trending for about a month or so now. Taking a look at the sector action ahead of this decision, it's a bit of a mixed, all in the red except for technology. You're looking at energy, the largest underperformer here, off just around 2.5%. Technology, though, Dave, barely holding on to gains.
Yeah, and largely speaking, the big names are largely holding their breath ahead of this decision. Not a whole lot of movement to the up or the downside, and you can see the names today. But really, the story has been how they performed this year. The NASDAQ outperforming the S&P and the Dow after it was battered last year. And a lot of these big names up. Huge. Tesla up 40% year to date. Apple's up about 10. Google's up about 11%. Meta, we are awaiting earnings for them. We'll get them after the break. We'll have full analysis of Meta earnings, up almost a quarter year to date. It's been an outstanding start. Amazon up 22%. Jen Schomburger now with the Fed has the decision, I believe. Is she not quite ready yet? Not quite ready yet. Do you expect this to continue is largely the question.
That is a huge question here. And we talked to one of our markets guests yesterday who was saying he doesn't necessarily see this as being a shift in sentiment. He sees this as a brief rally, and he expects some of these leaders to then retreat.